In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically delete your activity and browser history on Google Chrome. Maintaining your privacy online is crucial, and keeping your browsing history clean is one simple step towards safeguarding your personal information. Let's dive into this easy process that will help you maintain a cleaner digital footprint. First, you'll want to open your preferred browser and head over to the Chrome Web Store. This is your one-stop shop for all extensions that can enhance the functionality of Chrome, whether it's additional features, tools, or productivity upgrades. Once you're there, in the search bar, type in Auto History Wipe. This particular extension is designed to help automate the process of clearing your history, saving you the hassle of doing it manually. After you've located the Auto History Wipe extension, click on Add to Chrome. You will see a pop-up asking you to confirm the installation. Click Add Extension to proceed. This step is crucial because it allows the extension to have the necessary permissions to access and manage your browsing data effectively. With the extension installed, you'll notice its icon appearing in the top right corner of your browser, alongside any other extensions you might have. Click on it, and you'll be presented with an option to Open Settings. Go ahead and select that. This will take you to the Settings page, where you can customize your preferences according to what you want to achieve with your browsing data. On the Settings page, you'll see a list of data types that the extension can automatically remove for you. This could include browsing history, download history, cookies, and more. Carefully check each of the data types that you wish to be cleared automatically. If you're unsure about any of the data types, hover over them to get a brief description, which can help in deciding whether you want them cleared or not. Finally, to ensure that everything happens on autopilot without you having to think about it again, look for the toggle switch corresponding to Auto Clear Mode. Turn it on, and this sets the extension to work in the background, erasing all your selected history data at regular intervals or every time you close the browser. This Automate Clear function ensures that the privacy of your browsing activities is consistently managed without any additional effort from your side. And there you have it. By following these steps, your browser's history will be periodically wiped, keeping your online activity private and your browser fresh. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more straightforward tech tips.